Debts are charged off and sold to another company for collection. Should I arrange a payment plan with a new collection company? Will that fix your credit? Great questions. Will it fix your credit? No. Fixing your credit, paying a debt does not fix your credit. It only refreshes the debt, which will then remain until it hits a 7-year mark. So paying it does not correct it. With that being said, paying it will increase the likelihood of it being removed, and it will speed up the process, because once it's paid, then they stop fighting us so much because there's no incentive to fight us anymore. See, every time we dispute stuff, if I dispute a collection, it could cost them $25 in fees with the credit bureau. If you owe them, $3,000-$4,000, they'll pay that $25 every time. But if you paid it, there's no reason to keep fighting us because you paid it. So that's the second part of your question. The first part is, should you arrange a payment plan? If it's less than, I would say, if it's less than $300-$400, then go ahead and arrange it yourself. If it's more than that, $300-$400, call customer service, call the phone number tomorrow and get in touch with our paralegal. So we have a law firm that does all of our debt restructuring and debt settlement. She'll reach out to that collection company on your behalf, and she's going to save you 50 to 75% of what you owe. She has a minimum charge of $150. That's why I'm saying if it's less than like $300, it's not worth paying Tina to settle this. If it's more than that, say it's $1,000, if you try to settle it, you're going to pay somewhere between $800 and $1,000. Whereas if Tina settles it, you're probably going to pay $200 to $300. And then she gets paid on a percentage. But I can tell you, generally speaking, after even paying her to take care of everything for you, it's still going to be way less, probably half of what you could settle it on your own. I had a client recently, a friend of mine, he owes a couple $100,000 to American Express, and he just didn't want to pay Tina. And I said, look, man, Tina's going to save you time. You're an entrepreneur, you're busy. Tina's going to save you time, stress, frustration, and a ton of money. So he tried to do it on his own. And American Express said, we'll waive the interest, but you got to pay the $200,000 over the 12 months. So then he contacted me, and we got it down to around $40,000 and change. So was it worth it to pay Tina a few dollars to do it? Absolutely. So great question.